On today's first look, we have a 1972 Chevrolet K10 Cheyenne Super Custom Pickup. This custom K10 Cheyenne Super Pickup is the product of a professional 2,000-hour restoration by Vocal. It sits atop a modern General Motors chassis equipped with modern GM factory independent front suspension and 4-link rear with BDS Fox 4-inch lift and Fox DSC adjustable coilovers. The 525 horsepower engine is a 6.2-liter GM Performance LS3 that's equipped with Holley accessory drive, vintage coil covers, and a MagnaFlow stainless exhaust. A GM Performance 6L80E 6-speed automatic transmission delivers power to all 4 wheels via GM's NP261 HD manual transfer case. Turn on a dime, rack and pinion steering navigates the 35-inch Toyo RT tires. The 18-inch Fuel Covert dark bronze wheels are brought to a halt by 16-inch Willwood Hydro Boost 6-piston slotted drilled disc brakes. Brake lines and hardware fasteners are stainless steel with a modern GM factory fuel cell. The chassis, entire body, and undercarriage were media blasted and coated in PPG corrosion-resistant epoxy. U-Pole Raptor coats the undercarriage to resist all future corrosion. It has been professionally bodyworked and finished with BASF Vision Plus jet black paint. The Dakota Digital RTX cluster maintains the stock OE appearance, while a Pioneer 9-inch touchscreen is integrated into the dash with a custom design by Vocal to keep an authentic GM design appearance. Other interior features include a rear view backup camera, JBL sub and Kenwood speakers, and modern cruise control. Relicate leather and plaid finish the interior with luxury class materials. A Vocal designed center jump seat conceals a Tech Hub lockable console to keep your gear wirelessly charged, safe, and organized. Triple layer wall-to-wall sound deadening and heat shielding work in tandem with a Restomod air system to keep the cabin quiet and cool. This is a fresh Restomod build completed in October 2024. With 200 tuning miles driven since completion. And the best part about it, it's selling with no reserve at our 2025 Scottsdale auction, January 18th to the 26th at Westworld. Go to Barrett-jackson.com, register to bid today. We'll see you there.